I'm Sai Chetna. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Green. Today's we'll try to compare the green tint issue comparison between all of these four smartphones which I got right now. The first phone is the Mi11X device, IQ7 smartphone, and the OnePlus 9R and the Realme X7 Pro as well. So I did try to include one phone from each of the manufacturing company to check the green tint issue, what is the problem is happening. And regarding the green tint, I did plenty of videos plans on various other smartphones as well regarding the green tint. So make sure to check the links in description and make sure to type in the YouTube search green tint Sai Tech Guru. You'll get all the videos which I compared in detail. So with my usage with these phones, I did receive the update of the green tint in a few of the smartphones like the Mi11X and in the IQ7 as well. Little bit of green tint problem got fixed, but let's see if you compare side by side with the other smartphones, only then you will be able to find out what is happening exactly. So I'll try to use the same kind of procedure what I did followed before. So make sure to watch till end of the video, friends. Don't try to skip the video because you will get to know really shocking results between all of these four smartphones. So first thing is to select the dark mode condition in all of the four smartphones. So here's the Mi11X device. As you can see, friends, I'm trying to select the dark mode condition here. So let me try to do that in the IQ7 smartphone. So here's the IQ7 device. As you can see here, let me try to select the dark theme. So in every phone, first you need to keep the dark mode and then try to open the Google Chrome browser, and there you will be able to see it clearly. Let me try to do the same thing in this Realme X7 Pro. So there should be the dark mode somewhere around here. So yes, it is a dark mode. And so all the four smartphones are set to the dark mode. So now let's see, friends, let me try to open the Google Chrome incognito window and keep it ready for you all. As you can see, friends, right now the incognito window is completely turned on right now in all the four smartphones. So now let's see what will happen. As I said, Mi11X, IQ7, OnePlus 9R and the Realme X7 Pro. So don't forget the phones which you are seeing right now. Let me try to quickly turn off the lights and decrease the brightness in all the four smartphones. As you can see, friends, right now these are all the phones, four phones looks, and let me try to slightly decrease the brightness to 10% and keep it ready for you all. And I did decrease the brightness slightly. As you can see, I'm trying to decrease the brightness one by one in all the four smartphones. Let me try to do the same thing in the OnePlus 9R as well. And I'm trying to keep close to 10% maybe, so you know exactly what is the green tint problem is happening. As you can see, friends, all the four smartphones. So at this point, the green tint issue you are little bit kind of noticing somewhere around in the Mi11X device, somewhere around here. Let me try to slightly decrease the brightness. As you can see, friends, somewhere around this area, little bit but not much. In the beginning it used to be a lot of the green tint issue. So let me try to bring the camera a little bit close to the phones. So this last phone is the Realme X7 Pro. Realme X7 Pro not showing any kind of signs, but this is a OnePlus 9R. As you can see, friends, this is a OnePlus 9R. And the IQ7, you can see IQ7 and the Mi11X device, you can see some kind of green tints going on in both smartphones. So still with the update, little bit problem got not yet fixed. So from this angle, maybe you might be able to see the difference little bit, but not much. I'm not sure whether you will be able to notice or not. As you can see, friends, some kind of green color is going on. So if you keep completely low brightness, it will be completely kind of dark. So always you need to keep little bit kind of close to 10% of the brightness. Only then you will be able to see this kind of green tint problem. As you can see, let me try to decrease the brightness, green and dark. In this area, little bit, now you will be able to see it, friends. So that is what happens in all the four smartphones as well. As you can see. So little bit, you're not seeing any green tint on the top near the camera, but when I try to decrease the brightness slightly, now you are able to notice some kind of green tint issue little bit on this top. And the OnePlus doesn't show any kind of sign at this point. Doesn't matter how much you increase or decrease the brightness. As you can see, friends, it remains still at same point, same kind of colors. As you can see, I'm trying to increase and decrease. So there is no change in the colors. And where is the Realme X7 Pro as well? So let me try to slightly increase and let me try to decrease. You can see there is no green color thing popping up. Only clear difference is that between the IQ7 and the Mi11X device, right now we will be able to see this kind of green tint issue. So now you got a clear idea, friends, what is happening. And now let me show in another application demonstration as well. So this is another test which is called the grayscale test. So this will give you the realistic results. As you can see, friends, you can see the green tint issue in the Mi11X and in the IQ7, but not much in the OnePlus 9R and in the Realme X7 Pro. Both are kind of same, but in the MI 11X and the IQ7 you can see some kind of green tint, as you can see friends, a little bit this kind of area you can see. So OnePlus 9R and the Realme X7 Pro, they both are kind of same to each other, so not much difference you are experiencing. Let me need to go back to the main menu and I'll try to do another testing as well, so which is called the, I think, screen white balance. Let me need to select this one. So in this area you will be able to see here the green tint, green, as you can see friends, green. But the OnePlus and the Realme X7 Pro, you cannot see any kind of green. So in this columns it was supposed to show the gray color, so gray color, but it's showing kind of green color. So this is what called the green tint issue friends. And the application I am trying to use is the Screen Test Pro application, so you can download for free from the Play Store and you can test in your mobile phone as well. So always try to select, this is the option which you need to select, screen white balance. Only then you will be able to see this kind of options. So this is a quick comparison friends, out of all of these four smartphones. So now we got a clear idea of what is happening, and still the green tint issue I can find in the Mi 11X little bit and the IQ7 as well. So hopefully maybe in the next update they might be able to fix it, at least little bit of the problem. At this point I don't think it's a big issue. Conclusion friends, and overall the green tint is there in the Mi 11X and the IQ7, so nothing I can find in the OnePlus 9R and the Realme X7 Pro as well. So maybe in the future once I get the Realme X7 Max, I'll need to test the green tint and the 4G Plus first as soon as I get the mobile phone. So that is what I'll be trying to do friends when I buy the Realme X7 Max as well. So make sure to stay tuned by subscribing, and don't forget to hit that subscribe in case if you like my content, and do comment below friends what are the things I need to improve in my next upcoming videos as well. Definitely this will be kind of helpful for me as well. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.